Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what the process needs: the Windows 11 ISO and a reliable USB tool like Rufus. Insert an 8 GB or larger USB and copy anything you need off it. This will be erased. If your PC is unsupported, get a patched install. WIM or prepare the registry bypass option. This explains why device checks can be skipped safely for installation. Once done, open Rufus and select the ISO so you can configure the drive. Now configure Rufus step by step. Choose the downloaded ISO as the source and pick the partition scheme that matches your PC firmware: GPT for UEFI, MBR for legacy BIOS. Make sure to set NTFS if the install WIM exceeds 4 GB, otherwise the write will fail. For unsupported machines, enable the extended installation option or add the registry bypass during image creation, so setup ignores TPM and secure boot checks. Boot the target PC from the USB using the boot menu. Change firmware settings to disable secure boot if setup still blocks you. During setup, apply the registry bypass when prompted or ensure you use the patched install WIM so TPM and CPU checks are skipped. This is why preparation matters. If installation fails, recreate the USB, test with a different port or drive, and try legacy boot mode as a fallback. Make sure the ISO checksum and Rufus logs show no write errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.